What if you could start a money-making side hustle selling digital products in this video just by following the 5 questions I'm about to ask ChatGPT? I know it sounds wild, so I think you're going to want to stick around and see exactly what I do. Let's get into it. Hi friends, I'm Rochelle. I'm a 6-figure digital product seller and a coach whose job it is to help you start your own digital product business with the help of AI. I am so excited about this video because if you have been wanting to get into digital marketing, get into digital products, but you just don't quite know how to get started and you don't want to buy a course and you don't want to invest in anything expensive, then this is the video for you. You're going to want to stick around the whole time. If you don't, you're going to miss gems, which are going to stop you from making money. So up to you, your choice. So I literally have 5 super simple questions that I'm going to ask ChatGPT for you. I want you to be writing all of these down, taking notes, and then as soon as this video ends, I want you to go and ask ChatGPT the exact same questions and let me know in the comments what your results are. And these questions are going to seem super basic. That is the whole point. It's supposed to be simple so that you can easily follow it and actually understand how simple it is to make money with AI. But where we're really going to switch it up a level is how we think about the results and what we do with the information. Okay, we're in my favorite place, ChatGPT. The first question is so simple. What digital product should I create? Now, this is the basic prompt. What I would love for you to do is add on a second part for yourself. So, what digital product should I create based on my experiences, based on my skills? And ChatGPT will come back with something that's super custom to you. But for this demonstration, because we don't have any of that, let's just see what comes up when we type this prompt in without any extra information. We're going to see ChatGPT's response here. Please keep in mind that I am using ChatGPT 4. You can use the free version if you want. Just know that the results could be a bit different. So it's going to come back with what type of digital product it thinks that you should create. And a lot of these are going to be quite standard, like planners, trackers, templates. But what you're thinking about is, okay, what are the type of products that I could actually create? And some of this is based on my knowledge because it's already talking about how to use AI. It knows that I know how to use AI. It's already talking about Pinterest marketing. It knows that I know how to use Pinterest marketing, right? And so that if you've got a ChatGPT that you've been talking to for a while, you've been using it for other things, it's already gonna know what you're good at. Look, Go High Level, FG funnels, these are all tools that I use. So your ChatGPT may already know stuff about you, which is great, okay? It can tell you what digital product to sell. But if it doesn't, you would say, I don't know anything about these things. I am good at fitness. Or you can say, I'm good at finance. And it will give you examples. Now, I'm not going to do that in my ChatGPT because I don't want it to mess up my memories. But you would add, okay, based on these things, this is what I'm good at. This is what I'm not good at, right? And you will go back and forth with ChatGPT until it gives you a product that you are comfortable with. Once you've got your product that ChatGPT recommends for you, this is going to be your next prompt. Who is my ideal customer? Who is gonna buy my product? And GPT is coming back to me based on what it knows about me, right? It's saying that my ideal customer is ambitious women, and it's giving me actually my customer segments from my business. So well done, ChatGPT, you be remembering. But for your examples, it's either going to give you recommendations based on your previous chat, or it's going to give you recommendations based on the digital product that you and ChatGPT decided that you were going to create. We're going to switch on our brains at this point. We're going to think to ourselves, is this type of customer going to buy my product based on your common sense? And then you might go off and you'll do a Google search, and then you Google that and you see, are people searching for this? Now, question 2.5, and to me, this is not a whole new question. This is just a build on this question. You're going to ask to give you as much detail about your ideal customer as possible so you can make sure that the product that you create is really tailored, right? And he's already given me a lot of detail, but let's ask him, can you give me more detail and build a customer avatar. Okay, and so ChatGPT is going to be like, all right, bet, this is your customer avatar. It's pulling out things that it knows. It knows that Lauren is my customer avatar. It knows she's 32 and she's in the UK and she's married with a young child. Even though there could be so many different versions of Lauren out there, your job is to create a product and to create your marketing and to create your content based on just thinking about that one person. Like, what would Lauren like? And that is how you create super converting content. And you can see all of this stuff is coming up about Lauren. She's into the soft life. Go Lauren. She's into freedom. You know, all of these things about your customer avatar. So your next question is, what problem does my product solve? This is so important, guys. And I actually already have a video. I'll link it here, how you can go into this in way more detail and really find out what your problem is, because problem equals profits. The reality is we all have problems. A profitable digital product, in fact, a profitable business solves problems for their audience. So let's see now, what problems am I solving? Again, ChatGPT knows what I'm selling. It knows I'm selling my guides and my communities, and like it already knows this, and it's going to know your product as well. So this is where using ChatGPT 4 can be a bit long, because sometimes it really wants to think about stuff in detail and you need to give it that time and that space. I could have easily edited this out, but I'm not going to, because this is the reality of working in AI. So it is giving me two different responses. I always go for the longest, like it's good to have the most detailed response. And so what you're going to see here is that it is giving me the ideal customer avatar, it's giving me the problems, it's giving me how your product helps to solve it. This is how you're going to market your product. And it's even giving me more example solutions. So it already had a product in mind, but now it's giving you more solutions, more choice, more things for you to consider. And again, you will evaluate these based on what resonates with you. What do you see here and you feel when you're like, yes, I could do that and I could do that really, really well. So let's say I'm looking at this and it's given me some examples, the 90-day soft life business plan. Okay, AI powered digital product creation templates, can definitely do that. From an idea to a first sale mini course. And it's giving me lots of different options, and it's up to me to choose which one I like. This is already a product that I have, Freedom Academy membership, tech cheat sheet, like I've already got that. So I think if I was to go through these, I would probably choose something like this. A business starter kit. It gives her the ready-made tools and templates. Amazing. I can create this. I know about AI. I can create a business starter kit. Think about what you know about, look at these results and make the judgment for yourself. This is what not enough people teach. They teach just use AI and it will do all the work for you. It will do 80% of the work for you, which is a lot compared to back in the day when people were building these businesses completely by themselves and from scratch. Poor things. But now we have AI to do 80% of the work for us, but you cannot be shy to do that 20%. It can't do everything. And on that note of having your own mind and having your own opinion, I've actually included a checklist below that will help you create your first digital product. This is not an AI product. This comes from my experience. It comes from my client experiences. And most importantly, it's free. So you're going to want to grab that. So then my next question, how do you stand out from your competitors? This is something that I get all the time. Digital products are saturated. There's too much competition. Listen, you need to stop approaching this from a scarcity mindset. There is not too much competition. Need I remind you how many loaves of bread there are at Tesco, which is a grocery store here in the UK. If you're not from the UK, maybe Walmart would be a better example. Like, think of how many brands are there. But you know what? They're all still making money. They're all still getting bought, even though they're selling exactly the same product. And that's why competition should never scare you. Competition is actually good. It means that that product is needed. It means that your customers are likely to buy that product. And the only thing you need to do is tell your unique story and you will attract your customers. Like, you'll attract your people. Just like you found me in the sea of other channels that are on YouTube. And I just want to take this moment to say I'm so grateful for you, and I would love if you could subscribe and join the family. All right, so let's hit enter on this and let's see what ChatGPT is going to come back with. So it talks about there are many people selling digital product and template, but your unique approach and brand positioning makes you different. Of course it does. So it talks about using your personal journey, your proven results. It talks about how you can position yourself differently from competitors by walking the talk. You've been where your audience is, overwhelmed, stuck in corporate life. Oh, hallelujah, that is behind me. And your story is really relatable. So it's going to give you ways that you can separate yourself from your competitors. This is so important in your marketing, in your content, in your emails, in your YouTube videos. However you're going to market your digital product, lean into what makes you different. Don't lean into what makes you the same. Going to give you some ideas. This is based again off of the knowledge that ChatGPT has about me. If you were completely fresh, you might want to give ChatGPT some information. You might want to tell it what you do for a living. You might want to tell it what you have done in the past, tell it your accomplishments. These are all of the things that make you unique and make you different from your competitors. So, final question is, what is the best marketing strategy for this product? And I see this question all the time, like, oh, it's easy to create a digital product, but how do you get sales and how do you drive traffic? If that's you, if you've got to this part of the video and you're following along and you're like, yeah, sounds great, but girl, tell me how I'm going to get traffic. Tell me how I'm going to get sales. Number one, you need to let me know in the comments that we can have a chat, because I've got a lot of ideas for you. And number two, you need to check out my community in the description box. This is the exact thing that I work side by side with my students on to make sure they don't only have a digital product, but they have a marketing plan that is going to get them traffic, get them sales without posting on social media all the time, every day. Let's see what ChatGPT comes back to me about in terms of the marketing strategies. It's telling me, since my audience is ambitious, I need education-based content, I need passive income messaging, I need to talk about freedom and having a soft life, which is like all the things that I am. And it's going to give me a 3-part marketing strategy. This is actually really cool. I wasn't expecting this, and guys, I have not tested any of these prompts before this video. We're both figuring this out together. So best visibility strategies for YouTube and Pinterest are my absolute favorites because they are search-based platforms. You do not have to be posting. It's not about how much you post or going viral. It's about having the right search terms and being SEO optimized. That is a strategy that anybody can follow. And if you're interested in how I do this on Pinterest, I have a video right here about how I make 16K easily a month selling digital products without posting on Instagram. SEO optimized blog, love that. Blog works so well with Pinterest. These two, my grandma would say they're bun and cheese. That's a Jamaican saying. Or butterman bench. That's another Jamaican saying for basically saying they go together real bad. Free lead magnet. This would be something you would do after these other channels, to be honest. It's given me some content themes, which is good. So a lot of you guys don't know what to post, don't know what to talk about in your content. ChatGPT has given you that. And this is just the first pillar, guys. There's 2 more pillars. I'm so excited. And I'm wondering how much time I have left for this video because my husband's about to come home and I've not cooked. But we're going to keep going. It's telling me how to nurture my audience as well. Instagram stories. Now, although I don't love Instagram, I do love Instagram stories. I think they work really, really well. Even if you've only got a small following, it's a way that you can build trust and build credibility. So I like that. Weekly newsletters, I already do this. Live workshops, free training, so that's all of my nurture. So think about it, it's like a funnel, if you've heard of a sales funnel. Attract is up here, that's all of your awareness, that's all of your high traffic strategies. Nurture is all about building know, like, and trust. People only buy from people that they like, that they trust. And just seeing you with a viral video on Instagram isn't going to do that. You have to create a relationship. And this is what your nurture pillar is all about. And then the last one is converting. This is when you're going after the sale. This is when you are asking people to buy your product. This is when you are doing limited time offers, offering them bonus. You might be doing webinars. So I am really happy with this marketing plan that ChatGPT has put together for my product idea, which is my AI powered digital product business starter kit. Boom, ChatGPT. Who wants this? In fact, I am going to create this and I'm going to give it to my members inside my community for free. So if you want to get your hands on this, you need to sign up to my membership. It might be on a wait list at the moment. It might be open depending on where we are and when you're watching this video. But get on the wait list because you will get a chance to jump in. And as soon as you jump in, you will get a chance to grab this. I'm actually in love with it. Prompts, done for you Canva template and Google Docs, step-by-step launch checklist, quick start guide. This is gold. This will make me a lot of money if I was to sell it separately. But the thing is, I love my community. I love my membership. I love being able to have a one-stop shop for everything digital products. Anything that you want to create, it doesn't matter if you're starting from scratch or if you've tried selling digital products before but you didn't have the right strategy to make it work, or even if you are selling but you're making less than 5k a month, you need to be jumping inside my membership. Not only are you going to get this for free, you're going to get all of my trainings, you're going to get my courses on how you can drive traffic to your digital products without having to post every day. You're going to get weekly calls from me, and most importantly, you're going to get my eyes on your business. I'm going to be there with you, building this, scaling this, so that you can live the life that you love. You know, the one where you get to have freedom of time, of location, of finances, to do exactly what you want? Yeah, that's what we're going for. The next video on your screen is showing you a completely free platform that you can sell your digital products on. I will see you in the next video. Bye.